Of course, I want to be healthy, but I really want to lose some weight. I'm gonna be straight up. I want to lose some weight.
Yeah, I don't cook. Hardly ever. And then, you know what? I didn't feel bad about eating that chocolate cake or some cookies before. That's just my thought process. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a trainer. I'm not a professional. I don't know. It worked for me. Checking to make sure I got all the powder because I don't want to taste no powder. Like, this is disgusting because I don't like flavored crap. My microphone was falling, so I hope all that picked up.
Hey guys, what's up? So I'm a little different looking than how I start out in all my videos. This is very early in the morning. I took my kids to school. Haven't ate yet, and I really wanted to get this video made so I could film how I make these shakes because I'm starving. So I didn't want to wait. So I'm in my pajamas still, kind of. I just threw the hair up, no makeup, real life. So I wanted to make a video on starting this whole 310 nutrition journey. Is it worth it? Will it help me lose a little weight? I mean, that's kind of the main goal for everybody who tries these kind of things, isn't it? I mean, of course I want to be healthy, but I really want to lose some weight. I'm gonna be straight up. I want to lose some weight. I do try to work out at least 3 to 4 times a week. Sometimes that happens, sometimes it doesn't. So I need a little extra. I need something a little extra to help me. I've got a trip in January. We'll talk more about that later. While I'm talking, I'm gonna drink my breakfast because I'm really hungry. I was scrolling through Facebook one day and I started seeing all these ads on 310. A lot of people that I recognize from TV or whatever. And then I started seeing it on Instagram, you know, because those are kind of connected. You click on something on Facebook and then it pops up on Google, on Instagram, on all your social media. It's kind of creepy. But so I was like, okay, I'm going to look into this. I'll look into it. A lot of weight loss stories popping up. Then I started looking at real people's reviews, like real people like me on YouTube, you know, not getting paid, not sponsored or anything like that, to see how it really works. And I was kind of impressed with what I watched. I review anything I ever order, whether it be makeup, hair. Shoot, if I think I have a disease of some sort, I'm going to be watching some YouTube videos and seeing what real life people have to say about it. So everything I watched, it seemed pretty legit and it just intrigued me. So I seen a really cheap deal super sampler kit. It doesn't give you a whole lot to start with, but you could at least try it to see if you like it. And I am a person, one that does not like shakes, flavored water, anything like that. I'm a basic person when it comes to what they drink. I drink unsweet tea, no sweetener whatsoever, Diet Coke, water. That's about my range right there. Milk in my cereal. I can't drink milk just out of a glass. It's got to be in some cereal. Anyway, I ordered my starter pack. Let me see. I've got my receipt. I got my receipt right here. I'll tell you what I paid. I did use a coupon code because it was through a link that, who did I use? I think it was the Orange Housewives lady, Gretchen. Yeah, she had a code. The only reason I used it because it was cheap, okay? I wasn't gonna like, oh, I don't really care for her, so I'm not. No, it was a good discount. It was 14 bucks. So for $14, I got one of their little shakers, which I thought, hey, 14 bucks, you get one of these. That's a pretty good deal. I got one of these. The stuff came in this little cute baggie that was sealed. 3 little pouches of 3 different flavors. And I used the chocolate one yesterday, so I only have 2. I just made the vanilla, and this is vanilla chai. I hope I'm saying that right. So you get 3 of these in total. I do have other flavors. I'm really wanting to try their salted caramel. They have a strawberry and then maybe a couple more. It did come with 2 slimming detox teas, and then also some juice powders, 2 of these, and then also with 3 little packets that you kind of can mix in your water. These are lemonades. They came with the original, the blackberry, and the raspberry. I don't know if I'll be using those, to be straight up. Just not a fan of flavored water at all. Then it also gave me a little $10 off promo card for my next order, so that's pretty cool. All of that was $14. Now this is just a sampler kit to see if I liked it. I wasn't going to spend, I'm going to say that, I wasn't wanting to spend a whole lot of money buying all this stuff if I knew I didn't like it, because I'm very picky on what I drink, as I told you.
My microphone was falling, so I hope all that picked up. I'm not going to read into all the main facts and details. There's tons of other YouTube videos that are probably way better at explaining the important key benefits and information, you know, like the fine print stuff, better than I can, because I'm new at this. This is just a review, vlog, taste test type of thing. I'm going to document my journey on doing this if I can keep it up. I really hope I can. This is actually better than chocolate. I like the vanilla better than chocolate. I might like the chocolate if I had a blender. Here in a little bit, I'll show you how I mixed my drink for the morning. 310 Nutrition, they say you can replace up to 2 meals a day. No more. Right now, I have just been doing, which I started yesterday, 1 shake in the morning for breakfast, and that's what I'm doing today. Once I get my blender, because I went to look for a blender, because that's how I wanted to make it, and I couldn't find it. I don't know if someone stole it or I threw it out, because I'm prone to just throwing stuff out that I think I don't need, and I never use a blender, like ever. I don't make mixed drinks, or I don't make smoothies. I don't do anything with a blender, so maybe that's why I got rid of it years ago. So I'm going to be picking me up a blender today, and maybe it'll make it taste amazing like all the other reviews I watched, and I'll be drinking this twice a day. This is supposed to be a shake that's got a lot of good nutritional benefits, vitamins, proteins. You get a little calorie, but not a lot of calories. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not going to go in the fine print, but you're supposed to lose weight. That's what we want. So that's what I am going to be putting it to the test. I don't really want to drink a shake just to be healthy. And on your cup, it does have ounces and milliliters for you to just kind of pour and measure, so that makes it easier. You're supposed to take like low fat or unsweetened almond milk, but you know what, I live in a very, very small town. Dollar General was the only thing that was open when this came in, and I was like, crap, I don't have any almond milk. So I ran up there, and this is all they had. So I mean, this is better than whole milk, and that's the only other thing I have in my fridge. 1 cup is 60 calories, so we're gonna do about a cup. I go to Walmart later today. I will get me some unsweetened, so I don't know the calorie difference between original and unsweetened. I'll have to look that up. 12. I'm just going to do 12. Oh. There's vanilla chai, I guess that's how you say it, but I've heard this one does not taste good at all, and I need something that's going to taste good, so I'm hungry. So I'm going to take the vanilla little packet that I got in my little starter sample kit, and then I'm supposed to just stick it in here, pour it in. Let's stick it down a little bit more. Ooh, the powder's getting everywhere. Make sure I dump all that in there. I'm just going to stick some ice. Ah! Don't splash me. Okay, I'm going to stick some ice in there just to kind of make it a little bit colder and hopefully, you know, like shake up that powder a little bit more. Am I doing this the wrong way? Put it in this way. Don't put it in this way. A little tab right there. You just slide it in. Oh my God. Stir on the cap. Make sure it's on. And then shake away. And supposedly that's it. I really want to shake it up good because I didn't shake it up very good yesterday and it was kind of powdery and chalky.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card.
Okay, so I think that's good. I haven't tried the vanilla yet. It's their most popular flavor. Checking to make sure I got all the powder because I don't want to taste no powder. It kind of tastes like cake batter. You know, like after you mix up the cake and you lick the bowl. It's actually not bad. Get up just a little more. That's why I need my blender. Right off the bat, it's not bad. I really thought I was going to be like, oh, like this is disgusting because I don't like flavored crap. They say you can mix these with water, low-fat milk or almond milk. Every review I watched, everybody was using almond milk. So after I placed my first order with the sampler kit, then what does it do? It pops up a little thing that says, oh, if you add this to your cart now, you save all this money, get more stuff. So I'm like, okay, well, I only spent $14, so what's another $35? So my total for my first order with shipping was $54.99. So it turned out to be a little more expensive because I did add this bigger package of the vanilla. And then I also got these little pills, which they have 3 or 4 different kinds. This is the Meta Boost. It promotes fat burn, supports metabolism. It is a dietary supplement. So I was like, why not? You know, let's just put them together. Really like the flavor, so I don't think I'm going to have a problem, at least doing this for breakfast. I'm really, really wanting to try, once I get my blender today, tomorrow replacing 2 meals a day and weigh myself in a week, and we'll see where I'm at. Taking these on top of these, working out a little bit, hey, it's got to work, right? So better than not taking anything. And I eat like crap. I'm one of those real life people that Don't meal prep. The thing I really do is I'm like, okay, I ate this many calories roundabout. I don't count perfect, but say I'm like, okay, well, I ate a Pop-Tart this morning for breakfast, 2 Pop-Tarts on the box, it says 400 calories, right? And then I ate this for lunch, add those up. So I need to burn about 500, 800 calories today just to kind of comp those crappy meals that I ate. So that's kind of my thought process. I've always been more of the calorie intake and outtake. I taught Zumba for almost 10 years. It kept me in really, really good shape. Now I was never supermodel skinny. That's never been a really goal of mine, but you know, I just want to be, you know, without rolls. Zumba was amazing. I burned crazy calories. So what I did was I would go and work out, sweat a whole bunch for an hour, a couple times a week, and then, you know what? I didn't feel bad about eating that chocolate cake or some cookies before because I burned it off. That's just my thought process. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a trainer. I'm not a professional. I don't know. It worked for me. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to tell you just like a tiny bit of detail because I don't want to make this a whole long. It's sugar-free, dairy-free, soy-free, egg-free, nut-free, and gluten-free. It says on this little package right here. Now, 1 serving, 1 scoop, 1 package is 90 calories. Plus, you got to factor in your milk. If you use water, then you don't add any extra calories. You can definitely use water, but I was like, I think that's going to taste like crap, so I'm not going to try to use water. I'm going to at least try their almond milk. That would definitely, I think, help me lose some weight by replacing 2 meals because 90 calories plus original almond milk. It was not the unsweetened or anything like that. It was 60 calories for 1 cup. 90 plus 60 is 150 calories. That's all I'm drinking for my breakfast, 150 calories. So say I did that for lunch, that's 300 calories. That is not bad for 2 meals because normally the average person in America sits and eats Pop-Tarts for breakfast or their kids' powdered donuts, and then they go to like the drive-thru and get a McDonald's meal, or maybe they go home for lunch like some people I know and just make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and some, you know, baked Lay's. Some people might do that. So it is way less calories than what I'm usually eating. I've really gotten more into going to the gym and working out, so I'm starting to change my life with that. So if I can replace even 1 meal a day with this, why not give it a shot? Why not? Here in just a second, I will go get on the scale, show you what I'm weighing, and then try to tell you what my goal weight is by January when we go to Vegas. And then I will start my little vlog document journey with all this.
Okay, you guys, I'm going to hop on the scale really quick. I normally fluctuate between 147 to 153 depending on the time of day, what all I've ate. A couple months ago when we were in summertime, the hotter months, I was weighing about probably 37 to 144, 45. So a lot more than what I tend to normally like to be at. I don't normally like to go over 145 because it's just really hard to get back down. So my goal for Vegas is about 130. So I got about 7 weeks.
Now, this other stuff that comes in your sampler kit, the teas and these little juice thingies and the lemonades, these are supposed to just kind of help replace your sweet drink. So if you're like a Dr. Pepper drinker or a Diet Coke, or you've got to have some type of drink a couple times a day, they're saying use these instead. I'm not that type of person that just needs to have something to drink. Like, I gotta eat something when I'm drinking something. Get a drink when I'm thirsty. I don't sit there and drink my water like I need to. Now, the other things that came in there, these little juice packets, you can actually mix these in with your shakes, and it kind of gives them a fruity flavor, supposedly, is what I was reading. So you've got your fruits and vegetables for the day, because if you're like me, you don't really get what you're supposed to get in a day. I don't eat like I should. I don't cook for my family like I should. We are constantly on the go with all my kids' activities and sports, and yeah, I don't cook. Hardly ever. I might try these because there's tons of recipes on their website. There's tons of recipes on their Instagram, on other YouTube videos that I've watched on their YouTube channel, that you can mix fruit in with these. You can mix a bunch of cool stuff to make it taste even better. So once I get my blender, I'm going to be trying some different things just to kind of mix it up so I don't drink the same thing every single day. The one thing I need to look at on their website is how much it is to keep going with this program. Don't just go to the website and try to order it. Look for a coupon, a discount code, because there are tons when it comes to this company. Like I said, I got my discount. They offer some online, but I'm sure if you kind of dig a little, YouTube, 310 nutrition discount code, you're going to find something on there. I'm just looking really quick on their website just to kind of give you a pricing, but again, I'm sure you can find some stuff cheaper. Triple pack of these, $98 for 3 of these. So if you're just doing 1 a day, that's going to last you 6 weeks. That's not too bad. That's not too bad when you think about it. When you break down $98 divided by 6 weeks, you know, 7 days in a week, not too bad. And you can pick from salted caramel, you can pick from vanilla, chocolate. You can get one of each, or you can get 2 in 1. You can mix up the flavors however you want it, which I kind of like that. And the awesome thing about this is there's no monthly subscription. You can sign up for their rewards program to kind of get points for each order, which I'm going to do, but you don't have to be locked in a commitment and just have them keep drawing money out of your account. So that's pretty much all I'm going to talk about today in this 310 video. I will be doing more videos probably in another week or two, updating you on my progress, seeing if I lost any weight. So be checking back for that. If you are doing 310 and have any advice for me or tips or tricks or any questions, of course, just, you know, comment down below. Now I'm going to go finish getting ready for the day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be checking back on my progress, you know, with this whole 310 journey, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, you guys. Thanks for watching.